Welcome back, guys. If you want to create a new profile in your Brave browser, or not, if you just want to share your computer with other, but you need to create a personal profile for your friends or other people, so you can use this wheel to create new profile. So open your Brave browser on your computer first, and then in your right corner, you can see three horizontal line here. So it's main menu to go to your settings. So click three horizontal line here and scroll down until you see more to here. So in your more to section, what you can see is add your new profile or open guest profile or not. If your friend want to use your computer for a while, they can create open guest profile. Or not, they just want to add their profile as a new, so click your add new profile, and then here you can choose your icon, what icon they want to prefer. There's a lot to change, so just click this one, and then you can also name like this. If George just turn. Okay, so this is now is George tab as a new profile in your browser is successfully changed. And also, if you want to check your profile here, you can change. Or not, if you want to manage your Brave profile, you can also manage Brave profile here. And if you want to change your color, whatever you want, you can change. Like that's it. Your new profile is ready to use now. You can spread word for you can spread your profile for your work, schools, or other kinds of personal browsing, whatever you like. Okay, that's for watching, guys. I will see you in the next tutorial.